Today we're going to be looking at representing linear functions. A linear equation, and I apologize for that view, an equation whose graph is a line. All the points on the line are solutions of the equation. Also a function because each domain, or x value, is paired with exactly one range. To graph an equation, you set up a t-chart, pick any values for x, substitute each number into the given equation, and find the corresponding value of y. Write the x and y values as an ordered pair. Plot and connect the points. We will graph this equation. The first thing we must do is create our t-chart. X, 2x, y. Choose any values, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. That means 2 times -1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3. 2 times -1 is -2, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 1 is 2, 4, and 6. Therefore, our ordered pairs would be -1, -2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6. So to graph, over 1, up 2, 0, 0, over 1, up 2, over 2, up 4, over 3, up 6. This one is wrong. This should be over 1, -2. So therefore you can see we now have a straight line. And we'll erase that point. Our next equation, once again, we will set up our t-chart. X, 3x minus 1, y, and then there are ordered pairs, x and y. -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. It's best, the more pairs you have, the more easy it will be to construct your line. Also, you'll notice I have both positive and negative numbers. 3 times -2 minus 1, 3 times -1 minus 1, 3 times 0 minus 1, 3 times 1 minus 1, 3 times 2 minus 1. 3 times -2 is -6, minus 1 is a -7. 3 times -1 is -3, minus 1 is a -4. 3 times 0 is 0, minus 1 is -1. 3 times 1 is 3, this will be a 2, and this will be a 5. So we have -2, -7, -1, -4, 0, -1, 1, 2, 2, 5. So now to plot our points, -2, -7, -1, -4, 0, -1, 1, 2, 2, 5. Connect our lines. We have a straight line. Now we have a fraction. Like I said, so we're still going to create our t-chart. X, -3/4 x, y, x, y. A little hint, choose multiples of 4 so that when you multiply, you will get rid of the fraction. 4, 0, and 4. I know I only have 3, but we'll see what happens here. Negative 3/4 times negative 4x. Negative 3/4 times 0x. Negative 3/4 x times 4. Those will cancel. We should have actually gotten rid of our x's when we did this, so let me do that. Get my handy dandy eraser here. And so now those are going to be, it's going to be a negative 3, 0, negative 3. This should have been a positive 3. Negative 4, 3, 0, 0, 4, negative 3. We'll see what happens if I did this correctly. Negative 4, 3, 0, 0, 4, negative 3. Voila! There we go. Once again, now we have a little more complex. We're still going to create our t-chart. X, 1/3 x minus 2, y, and then our ordered pairs of x and y. Once again, I would want to choose something with multiples of 3. So to expand this, I'm going to go negative 6, negative 3, 0, 3, and 6. 1/3 times 6, negative 6, minus 2. 1/3 x, 1/3 times negative 3, 1/3 times negative 6 minus 2, 1/3 negative, or 1/3 times negative 3 minus 2, 1/3 times 0 minus 2, 1/3 times 3 minus 2, and 1/3 times 6 minus 2. 1/3 times negative 6 is negative 2 minus 2, same change, negative 4. Negative 1 minus 2 is a negative 3. 0 is a minus 2. 1/3, 1 minus 2 is negative 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we're going to graph without rewriting our ordered pairs. Negative 6, negative 4. Negative 3, negative 3. 0, negative 2. 3, negative 2. And 6, 0. We're missing one here. 0, negative 3. Should be right there. Once again, when you come to these, you might want to stop the video, try one yourself, and then see if your results are match ours. X, negative 2/3 x plus 3, and y. I'm going to go negative 3, 0, 3. Negative 2/3 times negative 3 plus 3. Negative 2/3 times 0 plus 3. Negative 2/3 times 3 plus 3. Negative 2/3 times negative 3 is 2 plus 3 is 5. 0 plus 3 is 3. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1. So negative 3 0, 3, 3, 1. This works much better if you have a ruler or use a straight edge to create that line. This is an interesting one. X, y is equal to 4. So, how do we graph that? That means the x value is always 0, so y is equal to 4, and that's all we have right there. X is equal to negative 1, so that means x is negative 1. X is negative 1, we go over here, and that's going to be a straight line up and down there. If you go back to the other one, the previous one, y is equal to 4, that would be a straight line that would be a straight line straight across there where y is equal to 4. That concludes our video. If you have any questions, you can always try these on your own, or